Hello learners and welcome to Math Skills, Thrills, and Drills. My name is Mr. Fieck and I will be your virtual teacher for the next 2 weeks of summer school. In this class we are going to explore worldly math questions and topics and how to problem solve. So this isn't a class where we're going to learn new math concepts and things. We're going to take what you already know and build off of it to problem solve worldly problems. Today, the first one is going to be, every day there'll be a video. Today's video is going to be kind of how to get set up on the platforms that we'll use and kind of introducing ourselves to each other. So, before you tell me some things about yourself, my name is Mr. Fieck. I teach 4th grade at Brooklyn. I teach math, science, and social studies. I believe I'm going into my 9th year at Brooklyn already. That is my son, Carter, creeping in the background, seeing what his dad is doing right now. I teach math, science, social studies. I have 3 kids. Carter, that you just saw, he is 6 years old, just had a birthday a couple days ago. I have a daughter, Mara, who is 4 years old, and I have a 6-month-old daughter, Madden. So it's crazy busy here at my house this summer and trying to get all the quarantine and summer school stuff and everything else done. So I hope you enjoy this class, and I'm going to flip it over to the screenshot so we can kind of get set up on platforms. So your basic assignments for today are going to be introduce yourself and kind of get registered and set up on all the platforms that we'll be using throughout this class. The main platform will probably be Google Classroom, where I'll post daily assignments and everything, and your daily stuff will either get posted in Google Classroom or Seesaw. Okay, so right now I'm going to flip it over and show you how to do that. My screenshot, and the first thing you should do is go to the Oregon School District homepage, which is oregonsd.org. And you should probably bookmark this or set it as a homepage or something. Whatever you do in summer school, you have to be logged into your Oregon email or school account. And the easiest way is go here, go to For Students and log in email or Google Classroom, and it'll take you to the login. Your login is your first dot last name, or email is first.lastname at oregonsd.net. Okay? And then it's your 8-digit Google number to log in is your password. So you click in here, go to your Google Classroom. Once Google Classroom, and if you're not logged in right away, it'll take you to the login, first dot last name and your 8-digit Google. Then find the class. This is Math Skills and Thrills and Drills. You should have gotten an email from me with a direct link just to join it. If you click the join button, you'll automatically join. If not, the way you can do it is just click the plus here, join class, and type the code in. And the code for the class is right here. It's KOWCEYD. So if you need to do that, pause the video, type the code in, and go do that right now. Alright, then once you have that, so this is the stream. That's the first thing that pops up when you're in there. Everything that I post will just keep getting added to the stream and go down. Every day I will add something new for a daily task for classwork. Right now we have links and websites and office hours. Links and websites are the links and websites we're going to use. My YouTube channel, which is where I'll post all the videos. Seesaw, where we'll upload our work. And then this is just a Google, sign into your Google account or whatever. But if you're already in Google Classroom, probably already signed into your Google accounts. And then down here is my office hours. This is the link that we will meet to use whenever we do a virtual meeting or hangout, okay? The easiest way to get a hold of me is through email. I usually have my phone, can respond to emails a lot quicker, but if there's something that we do need to meet face-to-face with, we can schedule a time that works for both of us that we can be on and talk to each other, and maybe it'll be something it'd be easier if we I show you through using my screen and things as well. And then each day, there's going to be another one that has the daily tasks here, that every day there'll be a Monday task, a Tuesday task, and every day I'll assign it and it'll go in here pretty early in the morning. And you can work on it whatever time works best for you and your family. If it's morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time works best for you. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and show you kind of how to get set up and use the links and websites that we'll be using. So the first one is YouTube. If you click on the YouTube one, it'll take you to my YouTube channel. The easiest way to get notified is just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you subscribe, every time I upload a new video, it'll just let you know, give you a notification saying, hey, you uploaded a new video. But otherwise, you can go to playlists, and under playlists, there's a playlist, Math, Skills, Thrills, and Drills. There's no videos in here yet, but if you click on that, this will give you all the videos as I upload them. So, you know, if you go out of town or you're a couple days behind, you can go back and see what we were working on and get caught up on the last couple days, okay? So that is YouTube. If I go back here, Seesaw, if you're familiar with Seesaw, this is kind of a platform where we will use to upload your work and thinking and things like that, and you can do it in a variety of ways. I will give you directions how to sign in a minute, step-by-step directions, but you'll click on I'm a student, and then you'll click just sign in with your Google account again. Pretty much everything we do is going to be signing in with your Google account. I'm a teacher, so I'm doing that. I'm going to click on my Google account. It might ask me which one or what name here as it's waiting to sign me in. So Mr. Fieck, I'll click on that. And then the first thing, make sure you're on the right class, okay? If you use Seesaw for other things, because right now I'm in a different class, and if I upload anything to that class, it's going to go to that class, and you guys won't see it. So make sure I'm on Math, Skills, Thrills, and Drills, okay? And for today, besides getting the platform set up, you go to Activities. I would like to know more about yourself. So if you could share with me in here your name, what grade you're going into, what school you go to, and something you did this summer or you're going to do this summer. And I'm really interested to see those responses with COVID going on, how you've been creative and what you have been doing over the summer to stay busy. And so you just click add response, and there's a bunch of different ways you can add a response. You can video record yourself, you can type it in, you can be as creative as you want and explore how to add your responses and things like that, okay? Then, if we go over here, these are the directions of how to add the class to Seesaw. So go in and you can, if you have a tablet or a device, you can add it or download it to a tablet or device. Choose I'm a student, and then the code is MDAOQAAA. Okay, and then sign in with your Google account again, and you should be in the Math, Skills, Thrills, and Drills class. Okay, so again, if you need to pause it right here and go join the class, it would be a great time to do that. Alright, and then the last thing I'm going to share with you is you will get one of these each week. It basically gives you the course time and everything. Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 9:15-ish, or by appointment. Again, email me and we can set up a time to meet virtually and talk. My email, the link for our Hangout and Meets, and then the YouTube, Google Classroom, Seesaw links that we'll be using. And so today, get those set up, the platform set up, and get connected. Use Seesaw and post your responses to those couple of questions. And that is it for today. And tomorrow we will be off and running with our first session. Hope you have a great day and are looking forward to this class as much as I am. And I'll see you tomorrow.